process how to balance and chemical equation. I will give you the easy process to equalize balance to equalize the chemical equation. So please watch my video. So there is a equation H2O2 tends to H2O. মানে if we if hydrogen react with oxygen, then we'll get water molecule. In that regard, we have to put A, B, C. Hydrogen here in the left side twice A. Therefore, this is equation. This is a balancing equation. So we have to put equal sign to put the value of right side. Right side. So twice A equal twice C. Here hydrogen atom twice A in left side and hydrogen atom in left side twice C. According to law of conservation, atoms in left side, the number of atoms in left side is equal to the number of atom in right side. So twice A equal twice C. In this regard, O oxygen twice B equal twice B equal here oxygen atom C. So the here maximum C presence. Therefore, we have to put C equal 1. So twice B equal C equal 1. So twice B equal, this implies B equal half, and twice A equal twice C. Here we have to find the value of A. We got C equal 1 and C equal and B equal half, and A equal, we will get twice A equal twice here the value of C equal 1. So this implies twice A equal 2. So the value of A equal 1. 2 by 2 equal 1. So we'll put that in that equation. A equal 1. So equal, here we'll have to put 1. We have to put 1. Equal 1. And the value of B, the value of B equal half. B equal half, 1 by 2. And C equal 1. C equal 1. So we'll get that equation. So we have to multiply by 2. We'll get twice H2 and oxygen and twice H2O. This is the process of balancing process of this molecule. Hydrogen here 4 and here 4. Here oxygen 2, here oxygen 2. So please, thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe and subscribe and share my video. If you understand anything, and you can ask me in my emails. So thank you.